Sunni-Shi'i unity. So to be clear, I'm no Khamenist or Khomeiniist, not an advocate of fake unity, but also not an advocate of disunity and distancing from the Shi'is. My approach is quite clear, is a self-critical approach. Each group should be self-critical, thus precluding the need for polemics such as this. We have to ask the question, who is supporting the resistance? And whether you're a fan of Iran or not, whether you're a fan of Iran's system of governance or not, it is Iran that is at the front line. It's Iran that has been facilitating, supporting and arming, supplying the Palestinian resistance. Don't take it from me. That's what the Palestinian resistance say themselves. The furor over a few extremists who follow their paymasters and distance themselves from Iran and Shi'is more broadly should be seen for the pathetic attempt at clawing back support, not as a strategy that requires everyone who's pro-Iran to wade into the debate and attempt to push back. These people will never ever unite. These people have no interest in uniting. The thing is about Madkhalis, Sururists and other strands of Salafism is that they're done. MBS has signaled their death already by the actions that he's embarked upon in Saudi, undermining decades of religious policing. And as an aside, I think one of the major motivations for this quote-unquote liberalization or relaxation of the laws in Saudi Arabia is to stave off dissent and to stave off rebellion, bringing into full view sexual freedom as political control. Given that these Salafist groups are done politically and socially, what's the point in engaging with them? Dawah dudes, especially the overweight ones, like to use Madkhalis and other idiots to divert from their own idiocy. The online presence greatly exaggerates their reach. Now that's all out the way, what do we make of the IDF general statement? What do these people make of the fact that the IDF is praising their icons? The Salafiyya used to say that we are upon the haqq and we will remain upon the haqq even if the kuffar hate us. The kuffar seem to love both you and your icons. So now what?
لصبغ المنطقة أنتم متشيعون رسميا وصل الحديث النبوي الشريف وعلى أسس النظام الإيراني. ألم تقرأوا نصوص عند ذكر من العلماء والفقهاء آباء الشريعة المحمدية الذين حذروكم بشكل واضح وصريح من خطورة الشيعة في النصرة النظام الإيراني هذه عليكم وعلى شعبكم؟ إذ قال مجدد الدعوة السلفية الإمام محمد بن عبد الوهاب عن خطورة أهل البدع على الدين الإسلامي فقال: فانظر إلى كلام هذا الملحد تجده من كلام الرافضة فأولئك أشد ضررا على الدين من اليهود والنصارى. ألا ترون خطورة الإيرانيين على من ينصحكم ويهديكم أو تتبعون الإيرانيين كما قال شيخ الإسلام ابن تيمية في منهاج السنة مفسرا الخطر الشيعي كما سماه على السنة وأنا أجده مناسبا للخطر الإيراني على المنطقة هذه الأيام خطر فإن القدس الإيراني.
It's worth repeating that Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab and the Saudi state were British projects. Israel is a British project and they're in a symbiotic relationship. They look after each other. Jordan is a British project. And for decades this was denied. For decades upon decades, Saudi pretended like it was against Israel like the rest of the Muslim world. Like Jordan pretended like it was against Israel like the rest of the Muslim world. And it wasn't until the public rapprochement that the esoteric arrangement had become exoteric.